Hi guys, it's November 9, Sunday. Punta kami dito sa magsi-swimming dito.
What makes fox, Mom?
So that they will know that you can swim. If you don't have this one, you can't swim. Yeah?
Ako na. Are you excited?
Why play a basketball?
Hey, are you excited?
Yeah.
Tika, hurry.
What are you gonna do?
Play.
Where are you gonna slide?
And the huge one.
Excited na siya guys, mag-swim.
I told you.
Andun po sila sa slide. Nag-slide siyang mag-isa. I'm so proud of him. Pinunta lang siya ni Dad sa baba. Hindi masyadong kita, no? Yun long. Nakaka-proud. Ayan siya.
What does it taste like?
Are you happy? That's good.
So, dinner po kami dito guys sa Ready Eddie's. Filipino restaurant siya. Ready Eddie's Cafe. Ayan. 28 minutes away from home. Away from Betty's. Wala. Kain tayo!
When we climb upon my bed
No, I don't think so. Just us.
from my nanay at tatay mo, di malaman ng gano'n, inamasdan sa iba tulog mo.
Lollipop! Oo nga eh. Walang masyadong tao.
Sige, remove just from time, Daniel and Javi from time to time come back here and you eat fruits, okay? Yeah.
Oo.
You guys enjoy the rest of your day.
You want lollipop?
Cream. Mom, I want to taste it.
Or I think I even have. Oh no, that's all. Or orange, not orange.
Like this.
Big decision.
Yeah, that's dirty.
Orange, yeah.
Louder.
Hey, Google, is it going to rain today?
Again, louder.
Hey, Google, is it going to rain today?
Hey Google, is it gonna rain today?
No, today in Tuath Hill there's no chance of rain.
He can't hear you, my love. She
Why?
can't hear you.
Hey, you need to watch on your phone, Mom. I need you to watch on your phone.
Okay. So, it's November 13 ngayon, guys. Yan, November 13, alas 3 na. Nagtutupi tayo dito habang naglalaro si Javi dyan sa labas. Maraming tupiin and then relax lang. Ganun. House tour.
Have a guy with a special treasure. Mom, they know awesome moves. Mom, sorry, but you think the best, Mom.
Ayan guys, luto tayo ng chicken inasal habang si Javi naglalaro dito. Yan. Tapos yung mga sako dyan guys, yung mga 10 cents namin. Ipapa-kilo or ipapa-exchange for money. Yung 10 cents of empty bottle. So yan guys, luto tayo. Yay!
Bye, I want to say something.
Okay, what do you wanna say?
I want to say hooky boo boo. Hooky boo boo.